Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Sherwin. I want to go ahead and create a new channel. Basically, I have a news channel that's called Q's Random Rants. That's where I talk about news. But I wanted to go ahead and do something more with my profession. I do technical support. And there's a lot of questions my customers really ask me. And just want to go ahead and just do some basic stuff and just try to answer most of those questions. But what I'm going to be covering today is Outlook and Thunderbird, but mainly Thunderbird because that's the program I have installed. And I just want to go over a few terminology that you may run into while setting up your Thunderbird and your Outlook. You basically set it up the same way. The first term I want to go over is POP3, meaning Post Office Protocol 3. So it's POP3 and there's IMAP. I'm gonna go over the main differences right now. Okay, so basically what POP3 is, it basically what POP3 does, I don't know why we still use it. Basically you can only use POP3 with one computer and that's it. So that's basically in a nutshell. And on top of that, POP3 stores the email, the original email onto your computer, which makes no sense to me. And the other one is IMAP. Basically, IMAP is, give me 1 second here. IMAP stands for Internet Messaging Access Protocol. This is a way better, way better than POP3. So basically, you can store your email on multiple computers, and you can also store it on multiple devices as well. And you can also see your original email if you didn't mess with the settings in your email on the web server itself. So basically the difference between the POP3, the IMAP, and the web server. So basically, like, for example, if you send me an email right now and I have my Thunderbird set up, your email is going to hit the web server, and then from the web server, I have to pull that information from the web server to my client. I'm going to go over right now and show you exactly how to set everything up so you can start receiving emails in your Thunderbird. All right, guys. This is gonna be just a quick setup on the on how to set up Thunderbird. I'm gonna go ahead and start from scratch. I just installed it on my computer, so you can just get a better understanding on what to do here. So I'm gonna go ahead and push set as default, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and create a new account with the Thunderbird, okay? Yeah, my first and last name, Sherwin Stanley. I shouldn't have put that, but oh well. We're gonna go ahead and where right here where it says skip and use my existing email. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this, and it's gonna come up with my first name. For my email address, I'm gonna use a new email address I created yesterday. So it's gonna be okay. I chose my first name and my middle name. Oops. Don't forget to put your at gmail.com or whatever your email address may be. Mine is Gmail. You could have been cfl.rr.com. You can be like any email address. It doesn't have to be Gmail. That's just my personal email address. And the next thing would be my password. See if I can remember it. This is very important. Okay, everything just disappeared. I don't know why that happened. See if I can bring it back up. Okay. So now it's going to be this. Then we're going to go ahead and push continue. This right here is very important. Very important. Remember in the beginning of the video I talked about POP3 and IMAP? So we don't want this, we don't ever want this option, because now some people, they may have one device, one computer or whatever, but you may never know in the future. You may get a tablet and you want to check your email on your tablet, or you may get a new phone, or you may get or you may get a new phone. So what you always want to pick is IMAP. I don't care. I pick IMAP for everything that I do. So you're going to click done. Let everything load up first. Then it's going to ask you to authenticate the email address again. It brought me to Gmail. My password was correct, but for some reason it asks you for, it brings up the website again. It's no biggie. So you're going to go ahead and pick that. Push next. And then it says, welcome, Sherwin Leiter. And it's basically what this screen is saying, you're about to attach your email address to Thunderbird. I allow it. And voila. You'll know that it worked when you see your email address here. So when you click on this, you'll see different options here. I want to go ahead and read message. We're going to go ahead and write a message. So the best way to troubleshoot your email is always try to send an email to yourself. Because when you send an email to yourself, you can actually check right there if you can send and receive email. So we're going to click on write email. And then we're going to go ahead and send it. We're going to type to Sherwin Leiter at gmail.com. Then we're going to put right here test, whatever. I don't know why that's red, but I hope I spelled everything correctly here. Leiter at gmail.com. Yeah, everything does look good. And then we're going to push send. Yeah, send without subject. That's fine. We already know who we're sending it to, so. Then right there. So basically what happened? So what happened was, just like how I said before, I sent the email to myself. It hit Gmail web server, and then it made a copy of that email and put that email inside of my inbox on my Thunderbird. So, I guess this is done. I guess I'm done with my tutorial today. If you have any questions, you can leave me in a comment. You can leave me the question in the comment section below. And very, very, very important, if you need me to go over any kind of software or any kind of hardware, or you just have just basic questions, if you want me to do a video on something, let me know so I can go ahead and do that for you. All right, guys. I talk to you later. Bye.